Sorry.
So I want to stand on the already established protocol, sort of measuring this. Daddy, you are happy, sir.
Thank you.
I know you are a father of everyone. Even you are my father. So you are giving. God has enthroned you to be the father of the community here.
Thank you.
So we are happy that coming to see you, you are looking healthy. You are handsome, and your sheep are looking good, and their mothers are looking good. The children are looking healthy. So we are grateful. This is a very good community. We are happy that we've not come to bury anyone, and we've not come to say our daddy in the house is sick, or somebody has been rushed to the hospital. No. We give all glory to God. Amen. So thank you. Thank you for receiving us. So I want to, even though I don't want to follow protocol, but I still want to appreciate our Honorable Councillor for Health. Just as our key volunteer, our SGF, WHO has correctly said, anywhere we go, can somebody put a book on?
Yes, I will do that. I will do the summary.
Anywhere we go, you know, politicians, they are always busy.
Yani go wakazi akene don che da bubodu kamale amapa ma chijabe amucha macha amane ni koku maniti rama ima chigara melo do local government keteki chairman ka kis supervisory for supervisor for health kele ki kojinwin me ogo mata.
That to say that he has the love of his people at heart.
Ya ji akene iche mu fedo abon.
So we thank you, sir.
Even
when our motor broke down, we have to ride on one bicycle and one machine.
Yani moto kama na akitaka pabie po goji machine kete e ja kini ukola aboja na wa wonyonyo machine na agwa ajo moto che dage jona. Amen.
The kind of people want to represent us, even as chairman, as House of Assembly, as Senate House, then even as governor. We pray that the good people in the community go.
Yani all amona be wa matene ko makoji ugboki dollar le lale. Continue.
So, thank you. My partner has already said, so I am Mrs. Atin Christie, and I work with the State Ministry of Health. And you know, WHO, they are in the states because of the people of the states. They have their office, but they cannot work alone. They work with diseases, they work with immunization. That is why we always shout that let parents, let mothers bring out their children for immunization. So they work in so many ways. So today I appreciate the WHO. That is World Health Organization.
Bago mata. Enki kajika kini WHO enki don alena chili. Chabo kire ma de dana taki chitete ya ewe wa. Dodu ma tu kolopo ga amado ya lafa ojojojoji. Dodu le ima hogo ma lili kukolo ma ti kolo yo paka.
I also want to tell everyone that my Honorable Commissioner for Health, in person of Dr. Adams, Abdulaziz Adams Adeza, also send this message to you all.
Ajo fe pabo gbegbele yen ni Anaki Dodun ohun ti Commissioner for Health Kogi State Dugwa boje ma kare bu mepo menike gba yin me ma mu poliko pe mi na lon.
So I'm grateful that I'm representing the Ministry of Health, the good state of the good Kogi State in this community, Ogbogo community.
Yani o ja no gbogbo yin ni ko ohun cheju aboke atukolo lafia ngola o ja na Kogi State Chakadu ki dagemi ajo e. Me ogbo mi ta mewa.
When we say flooding, it is a natural phenomenon. It is a natural thing God has done.
Many omi ki aka mo ne kuma do ehun ki ichehun tito won che wa gen. Enwe kojo che uchi ki chache ko ma kerebo etanu we mama ni. Ichache tane ichehun tito ichin.
That you who find yourself in this community, it is ordained by God.
Yani kweneke yole emi ogbogbo iche kaki ojo che yi. Tueno upaye ru che yi.
So yes, when flood comes, we know how you people run up and down, and it takes a lot of things. It destroys so many things. carry even your domestic animals and everything. At times lives are even missed, but we thank God that we are alive.
Yani yankilugbo chobi yankilugbo omi kamode chenwu ki manyo ni cheche chenko na bebi unkilin dodu ya pa bia amenwo kome amenwo reme chaka chene na be kola malebo ojo kim daje kalin.
So what we are here for is that the effect of post-flood, the effect of post-flood, what happens after flood has come and it is gone.
Yani kamademia ojiwa ayo yaki I obili ahu akomele ile ingo chenu chobi omna ke ngodu bi enwuge elengo ademi ajo ka pon na ni.
You know when flood comes, this water comes from unknown places. They come from even outside Nigeria.
Yani omi ke aka mo na icho chakadu nkwepo gbegbele an chinile ke kwe dabane ya cha todo omi ma ke mi cho memin aile ya cha en duki domo ya ko medo hele.
The water joins water body with all the diseases, with all the reptiles, snakes and everything, and begin to push it.
Yani ekiku dabane ile amanye mi kideyo igole amanye kiku yo aja ka ile ogbogbo aile ma cha boga na aloma aile ge ma ko ga medo ma ka mewo ololon chejo ba me bibi oyoyoye ma gwa medo awa ma obi dagba mura kanya.
So when it comes like that, our natural water tends to pollute the water we drink.
Even
it's going to the ground.
Omi onugo kawa mo ya won ya po biega ikele ibu ijeje bukejen amoga yoyoye ki aka boma enwon wa ka amogen.
It tends to pollute the food we eat.
Ujem ka je nugo ide en ki apa bia.
Even the fruits you go and harvest it from the farm, they are polluted.
Amenwe ro nugo anekeje ka magwen torí uje oga na ugboka.
Then the homes that they enter, water enters, they deposit some things, some chemicals or some things that are dangerous inside our rooms or environment.
Yani aomi ki acha wa emi cheje ovu na emele no ejo ruki mgudu to ki muko gba obi dagba nche na me bibibibi chemego wola wojele amoku ma wu chaka abeje fuma abejo na ma yodule omi ichem ki je elia ki obi dagba wi chanyon.
That is why after flood we see people having diarrhea and vomiting.
Yodule chenko mi mu amonde emu akokile elia boka efegudu pa ire mu kodufu.
Some people will be having typhoid fever.
Oga typhoid fever ma pone.
You'll be having food poisoning.
Amujanwa che amenwo ojojojo po to ka je ki adoga.
That's so many diseases like that.
Amogojojojo jele.
So what we do? We tell people that after the flooding, before you enter your home, try to do washing and do fumigation.
Yani megba kojo jenka ba ma kweju bi nka ma kwenyi lolo chenko mi mu akoja ka ko mi mu igbe mga na da biereren menya ho mole nwoche mehu gba ki fefe taku mengo hogu tafio eke apa mo ga jojojoji mewa.
Try to wash all our clothes, our pots, our plates, wash them and sun them.
Abenwu idona ki deje hule tupo chichibu tucha takeru chenwa agba kocho mewu gwe ki fe mem koji olu kolu ki pa yonyonyonyo.
That immediately when we fetch our water for drinking, we try to boil it.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni agba kwerin ni lolo o se ko mi mu aka be omi ko iji pompe pa ko gboru keje ko ka ke mo ewu emrupu na ki na yonyo etono ki bota ke cha ne mo ki pa mo galeri yan pe.
So and also personal hygiene.
O ejoru to gbegbele apa won la wa.
That is, we wash our hands.
Ana agbawo ko du.
We wash our hands before we breastfeed our baby.
Takede denya o ma mo enya le ugwe e la won na agbawo takede denya o ma mo.
Then we wash everything concerning anything we want to put in the mouth. We try to wash it very well.
Abewe ro iko pigo la wa ito tarikeru talo agba ugwe ki fefe kachu o magolo.
Then we take care of our environment to be clean. Thank God everywhere is clean here.
Yeni ona ko go me ogo chaguda o. E ona ke ni chefe etetele yi. Ohun ati ni ka kwora yin ake na fefe tabe ile. Meda bi gwo ajo fe mi nago. Ajo fe mi chedu no. Chagu.
We also try to keep our food safe. Garri we drink. We keep it in container rubber that has cover. Make it clean.
Yani amujenwa eke ama hiki akpuna yonyoyon ololo chigali. mena gojo kocho ememe ndu dado ichekume bu kwefu meki bite ka menwojo ya mi kele ko kitegun.
Then the cassava we use for lafu, this
abacha bo mo pa kocho e bu ke ho da eme ndu dado e la won abacha bu ke hu ta eme ndu dado ki bo eme wa.
It's our mothers.
Ami amene ololo.
When we are cooking it, let us make it to cook well.
Me jan ki hi bi bia yon.
Don't boil water and put the pot on the ground, then you put the lafu, abi the elubo, then you turn it and begin to cut it to eat.
Yani gojo ole go awoche ku mecha ayo mecha lele takuma omi chi ane omi na mama bacha odan ma po ma dole ya yonyon e la nu ga gwegwo
Water is boiling.
akomi anale
You put it inside.
emru danye hun
Turn inside on the
edoji una me na enahi
then you put it down.
kake do ane
Want it to be smooth.
ehu cheki ikoru yanyo
Water again.
take won dabi do mi to
What is so that the water will enter in.
e won je omi ki poto yanyo
Put it on fire again.
e won mru goju una ge ehu de ki duna nyonyo
So anything that is inside that cassava.
ẹ̀hún dúkì ànága kìdí àbáchalẹ̀.
Any jam, any poison that maybe the flood has brought into that cassava and you harvest, all will die.
àmọ́ ẹ̀hún dúkì àdọ̀gá ọ̀nà kìdí ọ̀la àbácha pàápàá ẹ̀hún yẹ ẹlẹ́dàbà kìkà ìlẹ̀kùgbà ẹ̀jẹ̀ nọ̀kọ̀ pàmọ̀mẹ́.
So I don't want to take much of our time.
yánà ń tẹ̀lé pọ̀ àìkò bí olólórí.
We have little things that will be given to them. Hello.
No, for immunization, any mother that bring. Todo la iche na ngwe kane.
Immunization, okay.
Ene duki mama ndwe mi mamole dungi ni ma de nwele kan.
So we want to.
Afuki gbo ki ka omi keun.
Mothers, well done. You not see mothers, well done.
Ami yoma.
Please always take your babies for immunization.
Medoma meloto ko immunization do ochochu.
Tomorrow is
Ami governor ade.
they are our ministers tomorrow.
Amachi minister ona.
Councillors tomorrow.
Amachi councilor ona.
Government chairman.
Amachi chairman ona.
Senators.
Yami senator ade.
You want to be called mommy?
Amete ne kuma ka kino mo honorable.
Daddy, don't you want to be called daddy of governor?
Mena amete ne kuma ka mo ama ta honorable. Medejutama.
If you want to take your child for immunization, even if it is market day, go and take the child for immunization before you go to market.
Idagba soja aja iche eguluke aja ache ni ome ohun taja kegbera lo lele. Eyan mo ogun amiti monu elu itapame mamole dun we la taja.
Please don't allow anybody to deceive you that any vaccination or immunization is dangerous. Nothing is dangerous. They are good for you.
Olojojojoje kuma konya la kare memere gbariyan abeki atukolo lafia ngolo chami doctor kuma matukoche bi o mache madam bi na gbere amja maliele ona na la le mi todo lo yin min tukoro megwo min.
We have been also told that we should breastfeed our baby, breastfeeding.
Kocho edenya o ma nyonyonyonyonyo ela no ojo du chele eya mu du me na igbe enya mi awa na ya echeke madu jilo na ide.
The breast God has given to us is to breastfeed our baby.
Enya icho ojo du chuele medu atodo mo amamo to ehun madenya awa.
Any child that is breastfed will be disease free.
Ọmọ dúkì amẹyẹ kẹmẹyà dùn mọyàn ego ọgá ìkàmún ìlàmọ mọta kẹdà yànyàn ìlàgbẹjú.
Mothers, who can tell me how many months will you do exclusive breastfeeding?
Àmì iye ẹnẹnẹkẹ kàmi ìkò mẹnẹkẹ dẹnyà ọmọ amọkùnmẹ má domi dẹhùn dún.
Can anybody else?
Yes. 6 mama gbọ́ ọmọ o. Nọ́ọ̀sì ẹ̀dọ́ máa tukọ̀ lọ.
Now, what do we do again?
Ẹ jẹ́ kó oṣù mẹ́fà lẹ́lẹ̀ gbọdọ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀n àṣẹ jẹun kò má dùn má.
Introducing the child.
Takuma chane tenu jẹun ererere manyo omi ẹ̀yàn lẹ.
Then after 2 years.
Ìmúdọ́dọ́ méjì. Takuma tenu jẹun èkì gbìtì ẹgbẹ́lẹ́kọ̀ mi àmì àpò ìbàkábà chakẹ́hùn.
Please always wash your hand before you breastfeed.
Kócho mẹ̀họ́ mẹ̀gbẹ̀ kí fẹ́ takumẹ̀dù jẹun wọn máa mẹ̀gbẹ̀ ọjọ́.
Always take your bath, be clean before.
Mẹ́gbọ́lá yanyan mànà dábàkẹ́gbẹ̀ kẹ̀tì gbẹ̀lẹ́ kẹ̀tì fìgọ̀ 8 wọ̀ ọkọ̀ ọjọ́ lẹ̀lẹ̀.
As you come back from market, go and shower. shower, wash your body before you carry the baby to breastfeed.
ake lota jale wecha kpamu na wewe che de afuche ka nwa bema ehola egwe take de nya o mamo.
So please, all the other children that are going to school, always make sure their food is warm, the food is not cold.
abe ku medu jeun te kula ma lo chiche kula me jeun le ki ipona yan me ki jeun ki bonu me te kula ki mai ka bon.
If you must give food to your child that is cold, warm it, heat it for the child so it will be hot in the body.
E chan ki che ale ngojo eche emrupu na yon take edun ki dulolo.
Please, everybody, I want to talk about Lassa fever.
Aha, e ki aka ajo choga kele ku ohun ya te ne do mu go keke.
You know Lassa fever, the signs and symptoms is like ordinary fever.
Yani ujuwe oga ki dodun wi idane ka ki igba yo lamu amo e.
The person will have headache,
Ojina we
weakness of the body.
ole na da.
You carry pounded yam and carry chicken, give and no go fish.
Aduku jeun we ki beze ma nge mu dun taki na go dajo ho ke ine da.
Food, you go throw it on.
Emebu jeun dun ipo re me na necho.
You go say it's having cold. When people say they are having heat, you go say I'm feeling.
Amona gwagugu yani ukul avulapun.
Okay, you go to that chemist.
Ile ti chemist.
You complain.
He complain.
You gather drug. You
Ma ogu re mamdun.
maybe after 3 days.
Emi pe da ọjọ́ mẹ́ta.
Check the wahala don go.
Ile.
After 3 days again,
ọjọ́
you
kẹta.
begin to feel it again.
Ìwọ̀n chanege.
Then you say, I want to give you injection.
Ẹ̀nà tẹ̀lé ìdọ̀lẹ̀.
You take injection for 3 or 4 days.
Èmi ọlẹ́gbà yín ọjọ́ méjèèta.
Go and rest for 3 days.
Ìwọ̀n lè yan mí gẹ̀.
It will come up again.
Èmu dàbíà.
Please report.
Ẹ̀gọ́ mẹ́ka mẹ́dàbọ̀ làfíà
Go
ńlá.
to the hospital.
Mẹ́ ló tún gbà mí náà tì mẹ́.
Go to the help any of the PAC.
Onye àtìbítì kìjọ pépépé ojà ní alẹ́.